Hi everyone. Now, today you're going to be looking at finding the area of a shape. Okay? Now, the way we're going to do these is by counting here today. So we're looking at page 129 on your Planet Maths. So let's read the top. Find the area of each of the following shape. Each square is equal to 1 centimeter square. Okay? So for each of these questions, and I'll put it up in Seesaw, you will have to draw out each shape A, B, C, D in part A and A to E in activity B. You will draw out the shape and you will write the area beside it. Okay? Now you'll draw it in your maths copy, and 1 square here will be equal to 1 square in your maths copy as well. So that'll help you to draw it. Now, when we're looking at area, we always call it centimeters square. Okay, centimeters square. So 1 square in each of these is 1 centimeter squared. So to find the area, I'm going to have to count up all of the colored squares. So I'm going to show you an example with activity B, question B here. Okay, so I'm going to count the full squares. Now remember, each square is equal to 1 centimeter squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 centimeters, full centimeters squared there. But let's not forget, we have half a square shaded here, and we have half a square shaded here. So if we add half and a half together, we get 1 centimeter squared. The area of this half and this half together would be 1 centimeter squared. So if we add that to our 13 full centimeter squared, the area of this shape would be 14 centimeters squared. Okay, so you will have to do that for each of these on the page today, and be careful with all of the ones down here in activity B, because you will have to count halves like I showed you in this one here. Okay, now remember to do your work as neatly as you can. I want you to draw out each of them and shade them. Each full square is equal to 1 centimeter squared. I want you to find the area of all of the shapes on this page. Okay, watch this video and rewatch this video, and best of luck.